Hi, I'm Sue Otteson. I'm a swimmer, a competition swimmer, and I've been using Dr. Sedano for 20 years or so, and it has really helped me in competitive sports. Not only do I swim, but I also do triathlons. I'm reaching my 70th birthday, and I have been doing this swimming for the last 10 years. Now, I have not ever done any kind of competition before my 60th birthday. I literally had to hire a coach and teach me how to get off the blocks and do flip turns, which I told the coach I would never bend that tight, and I did, and helped, thankfully, with the chiropractic care. It's amazing that I can do all that. I have recently went to the Pan Am Games and got a 4th, 6th, and 2 9ths. And I did last Saturday, I did an open water swim of a 1K and got a gold. I'm going to the Senior National Games in Cleveland in about 2 weeks. I have been to the Senior Nationals for the past 8 years, every other year. I have not ever gotten, let's pass the 9th, 8th place, but I do plan on getting higher this time around. But thankfully for this chiropractic care of Dr. Sedano, my body is tip-top shape as far as I feel, and also I feel I'm very balanced. And that's very important for chiropractic care. I also do triathlons. I do 1 or 2 a year. The Ladies Sprint Tri over in Ackworth, I've been doing that for the last 6 years. I'm placing in most of them, not the first year, but from the 2nd year on, I've been placing them in the top 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I think. I don't remember. But I've been enjoying my tries, and then I've been also doing a try over in Cummings, and I plan on doing another triathlon in Athens this year. And that's including a 400 to 500 meter swim, a 13 to 15 mile bike ride, and a 5K race, which is a 3-mile race, running race. 2 hours of total gruel. But my body can handle this, all for the chiropractic care that I'm having.